Hi, this is Mary Kay Beckman with Keller Realty Las Vegas. The topic today is multiple offers for buyers. Am I going to be competing against multiple offers if I want to buy a home in Vegas? If you're in the $300,000 or less price point, you may very well be competing against multiple offers. What is going to get your offer accepted over the others that are submitted? Number one is the lender that you use and how fast they can close you. That's why it's so important to work with a lender that will fully underwrite you ahead of time before we even go out. Oftentimes, myself or the lender will call the listing agent and say, we can close this home in 14 days. Now, everybody may not want to, but when the listing agent and a seller knows that your offer can close faster than everybody else's, whose offer do you think they're going to take? We also want to tighten up all the time frames. I know the lender that I refer you to can do appraisals in 15 days and loan contingencies in 20, and oftentimes most other agents will write longer contingency timeframes for those items. So when a seller can again see a tighter time frame for those, they're going to look more favorably towards your offer. Some of the other things that we can do is not ask for any closing costs or not ask for any inspection repairs. Those are all negotiable items that I will help take care of when the time arises. So if you have any more questions about writing multiple offers on the buyer side, please give me a call at 702-686-2695. Thank you.